have a little exercise, a little icebreaker to get us all engaged. And the question is, what do you like the least when you have to schedule a meeting? So everybody, please leave us your answers. We are more than happy to know what you think. Okay, so I see some answers coming in. Finding a time that works for everybody involved. Yeah, that's a big issue. People not showing up. I can relate to that. Trying to find the right time for all, to go all the tools together, the page creation process, organizing the agenda. Awesome. All valid answers. Time zones. Okay. When I click on the link from my calendar, it doesn't open up. Okay. Finding the best time for all, for everyone. Okay. Awesome. Thank you everyone for your answers. We can definitely see where they're coming from. We've experienced a few of them ourselves. Okay, let's see. Do we have more answers coming? We do. So timing issues. People had to ring up. Yeah. Awesome. Thank you everybody for joining and for answering this question. Savian, should we move on to the next item on our list?
Yep, sure thing. Hello everybody. Thank you, Livia, for the intro. You are the kindest colleague I ever had. And thank you all for joining us today. I'm so excited to see so many familiar names, as Livia said, here with us today. You are a fantastic community, and thank you for your time and effort. And you already know you are highly appreciated here. So thank you, ladies and gentlemen. And let's start today's webinar with a quick status update from the team. So as you know, our top priority is and will always be to improve the video conferencing and the overall experience in order to offer you the best platform possible. We know some hiccups still happen, and I want to ensure you that the dev team is pushing hard to fix all the issues. And please keep sharing your feedback with us, and together we'll make it faster, lighter, and stronger, the entire platform, I mean. Now, let's see what we delivered since our last talk. So, live streaming, this was huge. You loved it. We are working to improve it. We managed to translate the app in a new language, in Slovenian. We delivered some important updates for BookMe, payments, and also redesign. We managed to deliver a series of improvements, and we managed to resolve a lot of issues in the past weeks. Okay, but let's see now what's next in the following weeks. We have some cool things in the oven for you. You'll be able to join multiple organizations. You'll be able to play with brand new and improved view modes. These are very cool. You'll love it. I can bet on that. You will be able to ask for a fee when hosting webinars. Right now, you can do that, but only for sessions, not for large audience webinars. And by the way, let me tell you a joke. Our webinars will always be free and as insightful as possible. For now, you can only use Stripe for payments, but PayPal will be added soon. And the team is working to deliver an important feature, hopefully today or tomorrow, called troubleshooting for BookMe. With this feature, you will be able to see why a time slot is not available in your calendar. It will help you a lot to manage your bookings. And the long-awaited audio widget that will allow you to play music in the background. Now, thank you for your patience. And let's proceed to a situation that I know for sure that you are very familiar with. And it's called When Shall We Meet email. This unpleasant situation is caused by that never-ending ping pong of emails when you are trying to book a session with someone and not using the proper tool. Are you a solopreneur, a freelancer, or an entrepreneur, a coach or a therapist, a salesperson, a customer success specialist, or a marketer? If so, then for sure you know the drill. As your business grows, it becomes very unproductive to juggle multiple tools. Let's say having Calendly or Chili Piper for bookings, Zoom or Google Meet for meetings, Dropbox for storage. You know the entire situation and how frustrating this cluttered toolbox can be. So the process starts with a back and forth series of emails trying to align availability. Then when a meeting is booked, the link and the details need to be shared again via email or maybe other channels. And the host or the assistant, they need to set their own notifications in order to manually send appointment reminders. These booking tasks start to overtake other important functions and they become a burden. And worst of all, the clients are the ones who will finally feel the pain. So you managed to do the booking, now it's meeting time. When you are not using a complete solution, when you talk about engagement, there's none. Zoom fatigue, everything dull and unproductive, boring. The transcript, you have to learn how to use a new tool, a bot needs to be added to your session. The agenda, you don't have it. You need a third-party note-taking app. A payment system, you have to do it all by yourself. Branding, no, just plain boring video conferencing. Follow up, yeah, but only if you do it manually. So this being the situation, we know we should be able to do much more. And in order to do much more, I would love to present our friend Sam here. And Sam is our scheduler booking expert in creating branded experiences. So Sam uses the meeting scheduling that does it all. Sam shares his availability and lets others book a time with him when convenient for them. Sam accepts direct payments as booking fees via Stripe and soon PayPal. Sam hosts interactive meetings instantly created when a booking is made. Sam sends automatic follow-ups, including takeaways, notes, transcripts, recordings, and much more. Sam uses custom branding to personalize the entire experience. Sam chooses sessions to ace the entire process, but how? When you want to book a meeting, ask for a fee, host the meeting, apply custom branding, and send follow-ups, you should need to use just one tool. And let me explain how this is possible in sessions. In order to book a meeting, you will not face scheduling ping pong again. You will share your schedule and let people book a time that suits you both. You can sync your existing calendars with sessions to get a full overview of your schedule. Add a custom registration form and collect valuable information about your participants, and then collect payments during the booking process. You can ask for a fee, set up payment options, charge your participants a booking fee when they schedule a call with you. In order to do that, all you have to do is enable a payment option for bookings, sync your Stripe and PayPal soon Stripe account with sessions. By adding a payment option to your booking pages, you become responsible for managing all aspects of payment transactions. Because sessions only acts as a facilitator for payment processing and does not charge any fees or commissions, it lets you run the show. When hosting a meeting, replace your entire meeting stack, use just sessions, and sessions will bring everything underneath one umbrella. 10 times the experience and 2x the outcomes at a fraction of the cost. You can preload agendas and presentation materials for each meeting. You can demo your website or your web app and give participants control. You can keep participants engaged with the help of polls, whiteboards, special offers, and so on. You can apply custom branding, designing booking pages that stand out. Custom branding will enhance your live sessions by incorporating your brand. You will be able to show your logo, brand colors, wallpaper on the booking page and in sessions. You can use your URL instead of ours, ideal for sending out branded links. And you can write your own confirmation and reminder emails and send them from your business email address. You can send follow-ups. After each meeting, participants will get an email. The follow-up includes a link to the cloud storage where you can find all data related to the session, which means you will find participants list, time-related information, date, time, duration. You will find the agenda, takeaways, tools, links, files shared, chat, question, polls, notes, but more important, the recording and the transcription. Some offers a branded experience from booking to payment to meeting and follow-up using just one single link. Because sessions covers the entire meeting cycle. And please send us your feedback and let's continue to co-create sessions. We need your input to improve it. Now, thank you for allowing me to briefly present Sam Story, our expert in custom branded bookings, payments, engaging sessions, and cloud storage plus follow-ups. Now, let's have a short look at a very short video that encompasses everything I just said. And please ensure you unmute the video player because automatically starts muted. I will press play now and let's enjoy. See you in 2 minutes.
Looking for a new scheduling tool? One where you can share your availability and let people book a time with you? Good, because I would like to show you one that will blow your mind, because it does so much more than just scheduling. This booking link is from Sessions, the most advanced meeting platform on the market that allows you to schedule, meet, recap, and do follow-ups, all in one place. As soon as someone clicks on it, it takes only seconds to book a time with you. And yes, it does do everything you'd expect from a world-class scheduling system. It lets you sync your existing calendars to avoid double bookings. It can automatically distribute bookings between members of your team. You can embed it on your website. You can link a registration form to it and gain valuable insights about your participants. It automatically sends out custom reminders. and you can collect payments. But here's the magic part. You don't need a separate app to host the meeting. Everything happens in one place. And because of this, the entire process is way more powerful and streamlined, and you don't need to pay for multiple expensive apps. You can even attach an interactive agenda to your booking. So once the meeting starts, everything is right there and ready to go. Say, for example, someone booked a demo with you. You'll have your demo slides, videos, and tools right at your fingertips. During the meeting, Sessions AI Copilot will take a transcript for you, and you can ask it to create a summary and email it to everyone. Plus, instead of seeing the Sessions logo, your participants will see your logo, brand colors, and wallpaper. You can even add your custom domain, because your brand should be the hero, not ours. After a booked session has ended, its link leads to its memory, where the agenda, transcript, chat messages, and recordings are safely stored in the cloud. You can make this available to everyone or keep it private. Who knew that one collaboration platform and one meeting link could do so much? And that's just one example. There are lots more things to explore. Try it for yourself and join thousands of others who have already discovered the power of sessions.
Thank you once again for your patience. And right now I'm positive all of you know how to do everything Sam does. If you want to read more, my dear colleague said already, she put everything, a series of useful links in takeaways. You can check them now and also after the webinar ends. Now let's talk a bit about our AI game, our AI surprise. Everybody talks about AI these days, that's for sure. They can talk the talk and let's see if they walk the walk, right? Only time will tell. But what I can tell you right now is that a dedicated part of our team is heavily invested in research and development to offer you the greatest AI Copilot meetings ever seen. I'm not able to offer you more details right now. I'm sorry for that, but this is just a teasing message. But I assure you, it's going to be impressive. So impressive that we'll organize a webinar like this dedicated to it. Then we'll offer the vision, all the details, and you will be able to see it in action. Now, please stay tuned and have a look to our affiliate program. If you want to learn more about it, you can see it right now on screen. I'm quite sure you know about it, but I just want to share it with you once again. Click on it and learn more if you want. And right now, let's move to the final part of this webinar, the Q&A session.
Okay, awesome. Thank you, Savian. I see already we have some questions coming in. Please, for everybody who didn't already submit the question, I will open the Q&A widget on your right side, and you can write down your questions there. Okay, so let's start answering some questions. When will we get breakout rooms like Zoom? I assume here that you are talking about the possibility of preparing in advance breakout rooms. As far as I know, and please correct me if I'm wrong, Savian, we have on our backlog, we have it scheduled to update our breakout rooms to make them more modern, and I think we will cover this need also, so you can pre-plan everything. Okay.
Yeah.
I hope this answers the question. Savian, do you have anything to add here?
We will improve our breakout rooms feature soon. It's already happening. The team is working on it, and I'm quite sure it will be a step forward.
Absolutely. Okay. Can you use an API to integrate with a pre-existing booking platform? Yes. If you have your entire setup already in another booking platform, you can use the API to trigger a booked session or a normal session when somebody books you through that booking platform. I will ask one of our colleagues to post the API help center link in chat so you can find it easier. Okay. Also, when sharing screen, it tends to be small anyway to add full screen option like Zoom.
Yeah.
Savian, I'll let you take this one.
Okay, we are already working to expand surface area. So it will be similar to Zeus, but I don't have an exact ETA for its delivery. But as far as I know, as far as I've seen, it will be quite an upgrade, because right now we know the surface area is too small, and on smaller screens it's not a pleasant experience. So yeah, it will happen soon, and it will be an improvement for sure.
Awesome. I tried Stripe booking, but this was an odd two-step payment process and no local payments with all activated Stripe local payment options. Okay, as far as I know, and again, Savian, add to what I'm saying, this first integration was the first step, and we will follow up with more options, more payment options and local options. We know how important it is to have this, especially for Europe and Asia and other parts of the world that are not necessarily, using credit cards.
Yeah.
And
we will make sure we will find a solution that will be available in countries like, let's say, Pakistan or other countries that don't have Stripe locally. So we are working to offer as many options as possible. This is why we are integrating PayPal, and then we are moving forward with other solutions too. But we are working on it. Right now, we are expanding from bookings to events. Things are happening.
Yeah. Okay. Can you please update viewing videos to play automatically when showing others from the agenda?
I'm afraid it's not possible because it's a browser restriction. The browser imposes a participant to click on a video. It's not possible to make it play automatically.
Yeah. Okay. Is it HIPAA approved for therapy sessions?
We are working on it. For the moment, we only are DPA compliant, but it's in the making. Our legal team is working to make it happen.
100%, yeah.
Yeah.
Are we getting any improvements for the mobile app, or at least the mobile interface? Yes.
Yeah. A series of improvements already happened this week, and we have a dedicated team that works only to improve the mobile app. So stay tuned in the following weeks and months. It will become better and better and better. This is also one of the top priorities for us.
Okay. What is the link to access the affiliate program platform? Again, I'll
I will
ask one
put
of our
it
colleagues. You will? Okay.
once again on screen.
Okay, so it's on the screen, but I think it will interfere with the questions, Savian. So maybe somebody from our team can paste or that can also paste it in chat just for good measure.
Okay.
Okay, awesome. Any plans for an automated webinar feature? Yes, absolutely. We're working on our evergreen webinar feature. It's in the making. It's been highly requested. Again, the team is taking this with high priority, and we can't wait to have it live so everybody can use it and enjoy it.
But it's not a simple one. It's a lot of work here.
Yeah, it's a difficult task.
Yeah.
Moving on. When I was registering for this webinar, it said that this webinar is streaming. Where is this session streaming so that I can see this in action? Maybe it said it's recorded or live. Savian, what do you think?
I hope Manny is talking about live streaming. I can put a link in chat in a second, hopefully. Other than this, I don't know. If it's not live streaming, Manny, please put another question.
I think we need to specify that we are not live streaming this webinar.
No, it's not.
It's just recorded, and we will post the recording on YouTube. Yeah.
Gotcha.
Okay, so Manny, if we didn't answer the question, please send us a follow-up question, and we will we'll answer it.
Yeah. Let's see what's next.
When will you add functionality to add custom fields in the client profile? I'm not sure what client profile refers to exactly. Savian, I don't think you either.
No, but Chalice, you have my email, and if not, I will put it once again in chat. Please email me and explain the use case, and I will make sure the team will find out about it.
Yeah, perfect. Any plans to allow for us to add our own OpenAI key so that we can generate stronger takeaways?
I think this will happen, but I don't know when. It's not happening in the following weeks.
Yeah. I think, yeah, it's been suggested by other people too.
Yeah.
So, yeah. I am unable to use screen blur. What influences the performance of settings? Should I upgrade my computer or is it browser related? So I think it's good to mention that the screen blur is not available on tablets and mobile devices at the moment. But on laptops, on computers, it should be available. It does influence in the sense that it adds a little bit more stress onto your video stream. What I would suggest probably is to leave only the tab with the video, the conference, the meeting, the session, and close everything else that can take up bandwidth. Savian, what's your take?
Yeah, that blur is a bit resource intensive. We are working together with our partners that are providing the video conferencing solution to improve it. It will become lighter and lighter, but for the moment, I would suggest you using it only when it's necessary, and when you do it, as Livia said, have only one tab opened.
And Sharombo, if you don't physically have this, you don't see the setting, get in touch with our team and we will look into it. Not sure from the question if this was the issue or not, but yeah. Okay. Christian asks, can you make the text field left from the calendar a bit bigger? Text has to be scrolled plus custom form field. Oh, I think he means booking. Yeah. Custom form field options more than 200. Signs is a bit too few, and maybe a distance field for between form fields. I think it's doable. We will send your feedback to the team.
Yeah.
Any way to add our Facebook pixels to system? Savian, you take this one.
Yes, others have requested this one too. Probably it will happen, but once again, I don't know an exact date. It's on our list, but it's not a top priority for the moment. But I think there is a solid use case behind this question, and yeah, we will look into it, and hopefully we will be able to make it happen sooner than later.
I see that we have also Diane saying that I'm not into the Facebook pixel. Would love that.
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay. Trevor, thank you. You're very sweet and very kind.
Thank you.
It's encouraging to receive such feedback. So again, thank you. How do we get the mobile app? Trevor asks. On our main website, sessions.us, we have the links where you can download the mobile app, both versions for Android and for iOS, and also for tablets. So I hope I'm not wrong. Again, we will post the link in chat. Do you want to do that, Savian, or should I?
I will do it, but you can also find sessions in App Store, Google Play Store.
Yes.
Just type sessions US and should be available.
Yeah. Okay. Done. Will you still be launching hybrid webinar system? Play recording videos live, but presenter will be in background answering live. That's a good question, Manny. I think the first priority is to launch the Evergreen webinars. That's been the most requested between the two, but having hybrid webinars is also, I can see how this would be super useful. Yeah. And I think it would be great if you can submit this to our roadmap, or we can send it to our product team directly, however you prefer.
Yeah, we have an idea here. The webinar will be recorded, but the participants will be live, and they will be able to interact with you using the chat, using Q&As, and so on. So it will happen immediately after we are going to launch the Evergreen webinars. Yeah.
Great news. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. When the share audio option arrives, will the participant need to unmute like with the video?
No.
No.
Yeah, this one will be different. It will work as a widget, so you will be able to play music without asking their consent. With the video, it's different because it operates under some browser restrictions.
Perfect. Okay. Can you add bill me later, Klarna, Affirm, GPay, Apple Pay options for those who want to pay in installments?
Yeah, and we will do it gradually. We have friends at Klarna and so on. It will happen. Once again, I don't have an exact date, but down the road it will happen, and you will be able to play with it for sure. And make money with sessions by hosting sessions.
Jason says, I understand that Sessions integrates with Moxie CRM via API. That is awesome. I have both separated with their own domains and have two different use cases. I need to use the Sessions conferencing with Moxie using the internal booking link for the CRM, but I need to also use Sessions booking links for my student contacts in CRM. We'll also have automated email funnels from the CRM.
I think we need to discuss the situation with the dev team because I'm not quite an expert in API. But I think it's doable as far as I know from them. But yeah. If you want, Jason, please email me the entire use case, everything you need, and I will put it in our backlog and discuss it with the team.
Great. Okay. In the French translation, the email reminders still display 1 day English or 1 hour. How do we solve this? I think the best way.
That's a default setting for the moment, but we have to improve it. Do you know any better, Livia?
I think another solution would be to customize the email reminders to sync your email address and then go to the email template for the reminder and change it from there. It should work, right?
Yeah.
Awesome. So I will post in chat the Help Center link for how to customize emails in just a second, or maybe somebody from the team can help out. But yeah, okay. How can we invite an audience member onto the screen? This happens quite often in webinar when we are presenting. It is very important right now. Your system doesn't allow that. Savian?
I'm putting the link with custom emails in the chat. Okay.
I'll do that.
You want to invite an audience member on the screen? You have to navigate in the participants list and invite that person into the spotlight.
Yeah.
And then you have to ask them to turn the camera on and the mic on. Then you will be visible and you will be able to talk to the audience, you as a participant.
Perfect. Okay, Trevor, I hope this helped. If you still have questions, please email us or write to us in chat or in Slack. Okay.
Yeah, hello? My chat?
Yeah.
Hi.
Yeah.
I can hear you.
Okay, got it. What was the question? It was about inviting people on the screen. Oh, so I can see you. Okay, the moderator can do that. Okay, thank you. Thank you. I love you guys.
Thank you, Trevor.
I love Trevor's energy.
Yeah.
Okay. The quality of the broadcast and recording have fallen in recent weeks. Are there any future improvements on the way to improve broadcast and recording quality?
Yeah, we are working, as I said, with our video conferencing provider in order to improve the overall quality. And we are thinking to create a solution that will allow you to have it as an add-on. So you will be able to have Ultra HD video conferencing as an add-on in order to make sure you will only use it when needed and when your broadband is good enough and when you can do it. Otherwise, if the quality is too high, it can become unstable and it can cause a series of problems. So at the moment, we are trying to find the equilibrium between video quality and stability. It's a tough racket for the moment, but the team is working to make all the fine tunings needed in order to offer you the best experience.
Great. Okay, Manny said that he was wondering about the live stream. Okay, so
yeah, you can find the link in chat. I put it there. Read all about it, and if you want, you can also email us and ask another question.
Okay. Next question, can I add the MP video into session?
I think you can, if I understand this correctly. Is this using OBS or other kind of tools or not?
I'm actually not sure. I'm hoping Trevor can give
Please
us
say something in chat, Trevor. Let us know. We are not tech persons.
Okay, can we add a feature for us to be able to push webinar templates to other users? Oh, nice question.
Yeah, similar to Notion. You will be able to create templates for meetings, for webinars, and you'll be able to push them into a marketplace or to share them directly to your peers, to your friends. And hopefully in the future, you will be able to sell templates inside sessions, inside the ecosystem.
Okay, and a follow-up question. If we can push the templates, I would like to see, we can disable the templates we push so that we can bring more affiliates.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay.
Just one more thing, you will be able to play a lot with templates. But once again, I don't have an exact date. It will take months in order to have that ecosystem built. But it's embedded in our midterm vision.
Okay. Is the video quality better on the desktop app versus the web browser method? Is the quality of the replay different or just the user experience?
In my opinion, the best version of sessions is when you are using the desktop app, then Google Chrome, then Safari, and so on. But the recording is made from a third-party perspective. It's in the cloud, so it depends on different things, not necessarily the app or the browser. So the experience for you should be better with the app, and the recording should be similar in both cases, and we are working to make it better. We are working to offer you different types of video qualities and also different perspectives. You will be able to record the speaker, one stream only, or audio stream only, but this is in the making.
Perfect. Okay. Suggestions as to how to set up. Thanks for posting my question. Yeah, so I think it's just an add-on to the other question. Can you have a sessions integration with Ecamm Live? That'd be so great for creators' webinars.
You can already use Ecamm Live, as far as I know.
Yeah.
We have a lot of users that are using Ecamm, and it works.
Yeah, as far as I know, you can do that as we speak. I would love to see you add promo codes for Stripe so that I can charge for a package up front and then allow the client to book a certain amount of follow-up sessions.
Yeah, but for the moment, we can only allow you to charge for one session. Soon we will be able to offer a series of sessions, and then you will be able to do this. But for the moment, we just have the first iteration of payments, and these improvements will come later on, but they will absolutely come, that's for sure. You will be able to have a series of sessions and also a series of events.
Okay. Is there any plan to add overlays, logos for streaming?
I'm not sure what do you mean by overlays. I'm not very familiar with the streaming world, but logo, yeah, why not? You can already have your logo, if I'm understanding correctly. Livia, what do you think?
I'm not sure, but I'm thinking that maybe adding it like virtually.
I don't know, but Jorge, if you want, email me whenever you want and let's discuss about it. We can have a session together. I can ask the dev team about more information.
Yeah.
I know for sure you have my email address.
Perfect. Okay. 1080p should be standard, but options for 720 should be available for those that need to.
Yeah.
Higher quality is necessary for those that reuse the replays for marketing and course creation.
Yeah, we are working to offer you different resolutions. That's for sure.
Yeah. Okay. Andy says the session sales page has always stated that it delivers HD video conferencing for all plans, including the free plan. So why would this now be an add-on? I don't understand.
An add-on as a possibility for you to use it or not use it whenever needed. It shouldn't be the default. So if the video conferencing starts as an Ultra HD, it will be resource intensive. So then we have to somehow find a way to accommodate video conferencing quality and stability. It's hard to find the right recipe for all the devices, for all the internet connections. So then you will be able to play with it. You can set it up. I want Ultra HD, so I know the drill. I want 1080, that's fine with me. I want 720 and so on.
Yeah.
You should be able to play with it.
100%, yeah. Trevor asked, what's the link for the desktop app? Trevor, Savian posted it in chat. If you scroll up a bit, you should find it.
And it's also on sessions.us.
Yes.
Scroll down, you'll find it in the footer, click on download, and then it will open a new page with all the options. Desktop app, mobile app, so on.
Okay.
Lower thirds we will have, yeah, absolutely. And please explain what overlays are. It's like a watermark, or what do you mean by overlays? Sorry, we are not familiar with the term.
Maybe the stream, live streams?
Yeah, but I don't know.
Trevor, we're waiting for follow-up questions.
Yeah. But lower thirds for sure. They are going to happen.
Yeah. Okay. Guys, the intro page before the session starts. Are you planning to integrate any third party like Spotify? Okay, so for the lobby to have music in before.
Yeah. The audio widget will be present there too, so you will be able to play music. I'm not sure if the first iteration will come up with Spotify or not, but for sure you will be able to play music even before the session starts.
Awesome. That's great news.
Yeah.
Okay. Tracy asks, when you are creating a planned session, is there an ETA on the customization of repeating meetings, either a calendar that you can click on the dates or every third Monday in the month? Yeah, Tracy, I know what you're referring to. So Tracy, it means the fact that we kind of have some standard options like first Monday, once a week, once a month, but there are some cases when you need to personalize when the session will repeat. It's been requested. And
we discussed with the team already,
yeah.
and they are looking for solutions. I'm not sure when it will happen, but yeah, it's going to happen.
It's in the making.
Yeah.
Okay. Overlays are transparent PNG that overlay the video. Okay.
Okay, like a watermark or something like that. Okay, I understand. I should send this to our dev team and ask about their opinion. And yeah, we will let you know.
Great.
If it's not complicated, then we will do it sooner than later.
Yeah. If you have 5 webinars coming up, can a person register for one and be auto-registered for the other 4?
Not yet. For the moment, you can only list 5 webinars, but the registration should be made one by one. But soon we will allow you to create a series of webinars connected, so a participant will only register once.
In the meantime, if you have the list of emails of the people that you know will enter the other 4 webinars, I would suggest going into the participants list in your settings, event settings, and inviting them there, so that kind of takes care and they will not have to register for the other 4. So Trevor,
this is a workaround,
yeah, just for the time
but you have to do it manually for the time being.
Yeah. Okay. Can we embed videos currently or plan to add on session registration page so that the the invitees would know whatever this webinar will be about? Second, embed videos after they register on the thank you page. Okay, so I will answer the first part. You can already embed a video on the landing page of a webinar. You can put a YouTube link, a Vimeo link, or anything else that allows to be embedded in an iframe. Embed videos after they register on thank you pages. I think we can add just links at the moment, right?
Yeah, but I think this is not that complicated. So yeah, but for the moment, what's for sure is that you can embed any video on the landing page, and the landing page remains there, so you can share it and the participants can check it and recheck it whenever needed.
Yeah. Okay. Moving on iPad, it would be useful to have the ability to use pencil for sketches, arrows. which are persistent on-screen reset to clear the sketches and brief highlight scribbles to draw attention to item on interest, highlight, etc. Any plans?
Others have requested this one. We know about it. It's not a top priority, but it's there, and as soon as we can find a solution, probably this will be covered by our mobile app development. It will be included as a function in the mobile app, not necessarily in browser. But yeah, we'll see. We'll let you know. We'll make an announcement. It will be visible in our release notes, so you will find out. Thank you for the reactions.
Awesome. Okay, Trevor, does session have a make.com integration and public integration? Yes, we have a public integration. Make.com is been requested. It's on our roadmap.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm hurrying a bit because I see the time has passed. How could small group rooms be created in an online workshop? Can several rooms be used at the same time or be able to link to other live rooms?
I will put a link in chat with breakout rooms.
Okay. And yes, several rooms can be used at the same time. Okay. I tried out sessions in the Apple Vision Pro. It was spectacular. You should add your app to the Apple Vision Pro store. Thank you for the suggestion, Trevor.
Okay.
We will definitely talk with the team to do this. Okay. There are only 2 other meeting apps there and none with your robustness.
Okay.
Thank you so much. That's great feedback. I don't think any of us would have thought to do that on our own. So Awesome feedback. Thank you, Trevor.
We didn't play with those gadgets yet.
Yeah, yet. Do you guys know of any tool that could be integrated into session tools like Power BI? Currently, it is not allowing to share Power BI or Locker Studio. I think we need to look a bit. Yeah, I think we need to look a bit into them. So maybe if you want to leave this question in Slack, so we can do a little bit of research.
I think Sinisha already asked about Power BI.
Oh, okay.
I think. Yeah, but we have to check with the dev team to see.
Yeah. Okay. We will do that. Do you plan to add a laser pointer so we can focus on a part of a document we are presenting?
Yes, but this will only be possible inside the desktop app. So you have to host a session from the desktop app. But for the moment, I think we have something that works only for PDFs, even in browser, but I have to check. I have to check with the team. It's not the laser pointer, but something similar.
You can draw on PDFs.
Yeah, I think something like that.
Yeah. Yeah. And draw on to other things like yeah, there are a lot of stuff, but like Savian said, for the for PDFs. Okay. And the last question, the marketplace for templates will be hot.
Not a question, just a suggestion, but yeah, we will have it, and hopefully you will be able to share as many templates as possible and even sell as many as possible in order to make money. Our vision is to help you make as much money as possible with sessions. That's our goal. So we will create multiple revenue streams for you down the road. So far, we only added the possibility to charge, but our plan includes a series of different revenue streams. Yeah, you have to make money with the tool in order to keep using that tool. So yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Okay, I think this is all. Thank you so much, everybody, for coming and being so active. It will, Trevor, I have a community that I run over.
I wanted to say, join our community. Sorry.
Okay, thank you, Trevor, for recommending us to our community. That is an honor, and we are very grateful to hear that. If you have any questions,
Trevor, please email me if you need any assistance or any help with your 80K people. If you need any materials, if you need absolutely anything, we are more than happy to help you with this initiative. And yeah, email me and let's have a chat.
Absolutely. Awesome. Thank you so much, everybody.
Thank you for
had
your patience.
Great energy. Thank you for your questions. Thank you for your feedback. It was awesome to spend this time with you. Thank you, Safian, for all that you've presented for answering the questions. Don't forget that our affiliate program is active. We are also active on Slack. So please reach out if you have questions or feedback for us or for the team.
Yeah.
That is it.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, everybody.
Have a good one. Bye-bye.
Bye. Until next time.
Yeah.